we're going to talk about cleaning down the SF23 Plus, the Wagner SF23 Plus. Now, usually when I comment or do a review on a machine or a product, I like to use it for a little while, get to know the machine, and then I give an honest opinion. Sometimes you can be too quick to actually jump on something because you don't think it's working how it should be. And I think I've done this with this machine. Now, I've done a video in the past about this machine and cleaning it down in 7 minutes, whether it can be done or not, because the stuff out there saying it can be done in under 7 minutes, I've got to admit, I didn't believe it. So in my head already, I was thinking, I don't believe that. There's no way you can clean down this weighing machine in 7 minutes. So I already had it in my head. So when I actually used this machine and cleaned it down a few times, I thought, there's no way. It's 15, 20 minutes. But I never spent the time to get to know the machine and done enough research about it. So what I've done was, I've trolled the internet, I've trolled YouTube now to find out exactly how to clean this machine down. Now, there is a certain way to clean this machine down, which I didn't know about. So I was wrong about the time it takes to clean this down. It is so quick, it's unbelievable. So quick. I mean, I've had it a few months now, so I've really got to grips with it. And it's an excellent piece of equipment. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean down maybe 2 of my tips, quickly wash out 2 of my tips, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to clean. Obviously I've been priming, so I've got primer on the coat. I've got 1 fresh bucket of water, not too much in there as you can see, and a couple other buckets of water that we're going to use to clean this machine down. I'll turn this off. Try and get it set up, so